welcome to McComb Fieldhouse for this evening's PSAC West Women's Basketball Contest between the Griffins of Seton Hill University and your Edinburgh University Fighting Scots. We thank you for coming to our second annual Hills for Harley. Today we're wearing our orange and tie-dye and flannels to honor Edinburgh University student Harley Ray Bowles, who passed away May 19, 2015. Orange represents the terrible disease that took Harley's life. She was diagnosed with AML, acute myeloid leukemia, on May 17, and she passed away within 48 hours. Harley graduated from Girard High School in June of 2013. She had a love for basketball and had played since she was 9 years old. She was in the varsity starting lineup at Girard High School as a freshman and lettered all 4 years. Harley loved life. She was a free spirit and always had a smile on her face. It's been said her smile could light up any room. Harley was the oldest of 3 girls, Deshawn and Barb Holt of Girard, who are here tonight. They wanted everyone to know they relay their deepest appreciation to each and every one who came out tonight to honor their daughter and aid in the fight against leukemia. Normally, when you commemorate the loss of someone, you would have a moment of silence. However, this is not what Harley would want. We know that if Harley were here with us tonight, she would want us to cheer. So everyone, if you'd be kind enough to get on your feet, and on the count of 3, please join us in a moment of cheer to celebrate the life of Harley Ray Bowles. 3, 2, 1. Kirsten Smith, would you report to the public address table at this time, please? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we also ask you to please join us in a moment of silence in memory of Seton Hill head athletic trainer Ken Kopesky. Sadly, Ken passed away last Thursday after a battle with leukemia. We join with the Seton Hill community in their loss and ask now that you join us in a moment of silence. Thank you.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the
Thank you, Kirsten. Now let's see the starting lineups for today's game. First for the Griffins of Seton Hill.